Hey guys, what's going on? Steven here. So today we're going to check out Bobkeys. This is bobkeys.com. They sell a bunch of different CD keys. So as you can see here, they sell games. They sell Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. They sell Windows 10 Pro a 2-pack. So you could buy one for yourself and a friend or a family member. They sell Microsoft Windows 10 Home. Office 2019 Professional, and like I said, games before. Huge discount on prices. Stick around. I'm going to tell you how you can even save an extra 25% off of these keys. And we're also going to check out the origin of these keys and the authenticity. So we're going to go into the command prompt or Windows PowerShell, and we're going to check it out. So stick around and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so once you guys find what you want, of course, go ahead, create a free account real quick. Only takes a couple of seconds. So like I said, this computer does not actually have a legitimate Windows on it. And this is not my main PC, but this is a PC that my wife was using, and as you can see, it does not have a legitimate Windows on it. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and buy Windows 10 Pro. So I'm gonna go ahead and click buy now. And once you are in here, as you can see, it's only $18.08. So go ahead and for your promo code, enter code STT25 and go ahead and hit apply. That's going to save you even more, bringing it down to only $13.56. So we're going to go ahead and submit order, and we'll go ahead and check out here really quick. Alright, so once you have went ahead and checked out and paid, only took me a couple of seconds, you'll go ahead and go into your user center. It will bring you here where you can see your, shows my Microsoft Windows 10 completed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go view key. So once you hit view key, it will show you your order number, and you can hit get key right here. And there is my key. Obviously it is blacked out, so you can't see it. So there's my key. So what I want to do now really quick is, I'm sure a lot of you have probably used pirated copies of Windows, or you have that watermark there or whatnot. But what I'm going to do is you can use Windows PowerShell or command prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and just use PowerShell, and I'm going to go ahead and run as administrator. I'm going to hit yes. So it's going to bring this up. This is just like command prompt. So to remove a non-legal or pirated copy of Windows, what you're going to do is you're going to type in slmgr.vbs space /UPK. Enter, and you will see, so no product key was found because, like I said, there is no legitimate copy or actual product key on here. So I'm going to hit OK. You can also remove any traces of it from the registry. So you'll type in slmgr.vbs space /CPKY. Enter. Product key from registry has been cleared successfully. So OK. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to minimize this because we're going to use that there in a minute. So now I'm going to go down here to my search box. I'm going to type in activation settings, and it's going to pull up your activation. So we're going to hit change product key. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to copy your product key from your account. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. So now I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to paste my product key right there. And we're going to hit next and activate. So by activating Windows, you get the best experience, free from interruptions. So we're going to go ahead and activate. So as you can see there, Windows is activated. So I'm going to go ahead and close. So as you can see, Windows 10 Pro, Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back down here to this PowerShell, and I did ask to how they're able to sell these keys for so cheap. And these keys are bought from official Microsoft agents, and they're bought in huge bulk and at a discounted price. So that way Bobkeys can sell it to us at a discounted price. Because if you guys have like gone into Office Depot or Best Buy, wherever, I remember the last time I checked, it was like $100 or $130 for a copy of Windows, which is freaking crazy. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the same PowerShell or command prompt, and we're going to type in slmgr.vbs space /DLI, enter, and it's going to show you right here Windows 10 Professional Edition. This is a retail copy. All right. Next thing is we're going to check if this expires. So we're going to type in slmgr.vbs space /XPR, enter. Professional Edition, this machine is permanently activated. So there you go. For $13 and some change, I got a legitimate copy of Windows. It is activated to me on this computer, legitimate copy, which is awesome and super easy to use. They have customer support if you guys need help. And the awesome thing is if you use code STT25, it even saves you an extra 25% off of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out some games, and because right now I do have like Assassin's Creed games. I do have Assassin's Creed Origins, but I did pay $60 for it. I could have paid $23 and even saved with a code. I also do have Anno right here, and I paid, I believe, $90 for the deluxe edition of this game. But you can find huge discounts on here. So check it out, guys. Like I said, they sell Office 2019 Pro, and you guys can save an extra 25% off of any of this. And the cool thing is, like I was showing you guys before, where they have, you can buy a 2-pack and you save even more. So use the link in the description below, guys. Bobkeys.com. I'll have links in the description along with the code and whatnot. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, please leave it down below. Do not hesitate to ask. I am more than happy to help you out. Anything you need. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. I will catch you next time. Take care.